Amuraw. Binigay kay number 23, Umigit. Number 22 na yun. Binigay kay Samato. Pumuhol. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Kaya Umigit. Rejected. And same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Long play. Accidental lang yun. Number 29. Number 29 dito sa mga. Kaya ito na. Number 10. Short. Dribble by number 19. Kaya. Tawa. Nakawalan ko yung mga. Only ball, number 15 on the two shots. That's 21 shots, first prize. Basket number 19. And a son of Brian Fox. Long play, last 10 seconds from the downtown. Wala. Rebound. Wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. Shout out JP Guzman. Tres ticket. Power play number 23. And this is the last and final water. And number 15 Garcia. Bigay number 23. Number 23 yon. Rebound number 23. Binigay number 28. Biglang pumulong sa tres. Wala. Rebound by number 30, number 30, push ball, number 30. 2 shots on number 29.
Ano yung ng kaya? Gunner?
First Brian Snowdale in next game, be ready. Game 1, championship round, junior division, Madres versus Canto Boys. Next pitch RD by number 29. The score is deadlock, 38 all. And number 23, ayun si numero 23, number 23 ngayon, the number 31. Number 31 pa rin. Good ball ball by number 31. Ayun si Amuraw, 10 seconds to shoot. Amuraw, nawala ang kanila. Ang gawin ng MVP. Ayun si Dinis Pa. Dinis Pa kayo. Umeke. Tumigyan na si Dinis Pa. Ayan, ang dalawa. Ang KPP. Ayun si numero 23. Number 23 pa rin. Ayan, may tawag. Ball number 19 ang blocking ball. Number 19. That's your first personal foul, number 19, and a personal falls for the KPP at number 23. Ayan si numero 23. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23 pa rin. Umatake. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 28. Ayan sa may kanto. Wala. Rebound by the KPP. Ayan, pinigay kay numero 11. Number 11 by Valero. Tumika na si Valero. Wala. Rebound by the KPP number 29. Rebound by the Kapeloma. Ayan, pinigay numero 23. Number 31. Number 31. Tuloy-tuloy siya. Wala. Lucy Cindy Guzman, number 29, pinumulaw. 5 seconds to shoot. Ayan, nakagawin na ang kapilo. Ayan, taas na rin sa number 28. Ayan, may sumabit. All number 29. 55. Nabalaka, kalaban ng MVP. Number 90. Number 29. Minute lang. 20 seconds. Ayan ang ball. Number 28. Hendrick for penalty. Game 1. Finals Junior Division. The Tres versus Clapton Blaze. Number 28 from the down zone. Short. 10 seconds. Number 31. 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Good. Congratulations. MVP. Final scores 50-50.